number 12 on the bus? Yeah. Russ Trotter. Aiden, shoot it. Get Russ right there.
Nope.
Yeah. Number 38. Number 1. My mother got me for Christmas. An ABS skate shop. First Christmas present. Yeah! Yeah! Hell yeah! Somebody's gonna win a shirt. Here we go. Mix them up, mix them up. Number 4. Number 4 on the bus?
Number 4.
This guy got it.
Yeah.
Mustache.
Is that
Cartwright?
Sam Cartwright? All right. All right, guys. Intergalactic. Dude, it's a nice shirt. Intergalactic.
Thanks.
Here you go, man. You're welcome. You're welcome. Yo, so if you're winning, hopefully you take a picture, you tag the company on Insta, Facebook, Twitter. All right, last intergalactic, number 18. 18. We got one more after this. One more.
Big Rich.
All right, Rich. Yeah, Rich wins. T-shirt and a sticker. Intergalactic Industries out of Alabama. Nice guy, man. This guy, Cale Griffith, I know on Facebook. All right, guys, thanks. That's everything. Hopefully, everybody's half you happy, half you disappointed. Sorry.